In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Sutton Bank online banking password. Whether you've simply forgotten your password or you're looking to update it for security reasons, this process is straightforward and you're just a few steps away from getting back on track. Let's start by heading over to the Sutton Bank website. You're going to want to navigate to the Blue Chip Money Market account page, but don't worry too much about this part. You can find it directly by visiting Sutton Bank's main website as well. Once you're on the page, your next step is to locate the login section. You should see an option labeled Log In. Go ahead and click on that. Now that the login form has appeared, you're probably noticing there's a link saying Forgot Password right below the password field. This is going to be your gateway to resetting your password, so click on Forgot Password to proceed. You'll be prompted to confirm this action, usually with a pop-up or a dialog box that asks if you're sure you want to reset your password. Simply click OK to confirm and move on. This next step is crucial. You will need to verify your identity to proceed with resetting the password. First, it will ask for your username. Take a moment to ensure you enter it correctly. Double check the spelling because this needs to match exactly with what's on your account. Once you've entered your username, the system will require additional identification, which in this case is the last 4 digits of your social security number. Again, accuracy is key here to move forward in the process. Next, type in your email address. Make sure your email is the one linked to your Sutton Bank account. If there have been any changes to your email or you're unsure if it's updated, you might need to contact Sutton Bank to update it before completing these steps. With all that information filled out, you're set to hit the Reset Password button. Clicking this will trigger an email to be sent to the address you specified earlier. This email will contain further instructions, typically involving a link to reset your password securely. Check your email inbox. Don't forget to peek into the spam or junk folders if it doesn't appear shortly after. Once you find the email, follow the instructions contained within to set up your new password. Keep in mind the best practice for creating a secure password. It should be a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and be something unique that you haven't used for other accounts. And that's it! You've successfully navigated the process of resetting your Sutton Bank online banking password. Remember, maintaining strong and secure passwords is crucial in protecting your financial information. Thank you for watching, and feel free to comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance.